Kaluwore gi midhiero mar rumruok piny mar ot moro e kar dak ma Karen boma Nairobi, odhiambo manyoro ji ariyo nyo yangi ne owito ngimagi ka ji moko 4 to pod itimonegi thieth. Anyuola mag ji ariyo mowito ngimagi nochopo mar yango ringre gi e kar kano ringre ma City e kinde ma joneno pod chiwo sigand masira ma kamano. Mora Nyambaga miyo mathoth.
Wengegi mol kod chuny lit e kar kano ringre ma City muchari bang' yudo lipot ni chuorgi to kod owadgi owito ngimagi odhiambo manyoro. Orofa ma Karen manyoruombore apoya Tuju Mwandakwa to kod Harrison Ngala nyogin jolwedo manyo dhi nyime kod menyo ne familia margi.
Alinipigia simu akaniambia na kuwekea pesa ya lunch. Kweli alinitumia akaniambia nitakuongezea ingine baadaye. Saa 2 akuji nikachimba hajaichelewa nje. Kwani amefika saa 2 kwa nini?
Huyu ananipigia simu ananiambia halo Harrison hayuko. Nikamuuliza hayuko ameenda wapi? Kwa kwanza niuliza ameenda wapi? Kwa sababu ameniambia sister yangu nataka kwenda kazi ya hii outside Nairobi. Sasa nilikuwa nadhani ameenda kazi nje ya Nairobi.
Tendo hospital ma Kenyatta yango nigin kod jotuo 4 manyocho pikanyo kane kod hinyruok maricho motendre kod orofa manyo lwar kuomgi Karen.
We wish to confirm that we received 4 casualties from the Karen collapsed building. The 4 of them were brought to KNH last evening. 2 of them in very, very critical conditions, and the other 2 with soft issue injuries.
2 people are dead. 7 were injured and taken to various hospitals within the city.
Jotuo motonytho e pimo chalgi ma otimore ne jowetegi manyogi yaro mana toko tumbore kuomgi kagi wuoro badruoth Nyasaye manyone kodgi.
Kiendelea hivyo tusikia mara moja imeshtuka. Kushtuka hivyo sisi kwenda kushtuke tukimbilia usalama, kumbe ilikuwa tayari imevunjika. Yenye tulikuwa juu wote kuteremka tuliteremshwa nayo. Kufika chini wengine tukafunikiwa. Kutoka hapo mimi bahati nzuri kwenye nilikuwa ni mkono ilitoa nje, ilikuwa kando kando.
Tulipokoroga sisi tulikuwa wafanyikazi wapo chini, wengine walikuwa juu. Tulikuwa na operator wa crane na operator wa mixer. Hiyo sasa sisi tukiendelea na kazi tulistukia hiyo nyumba ilikuja tu once. Ilikuwa tu mstuko. Sisi tukiwa hapo chini nilistukia tu, hata mimi na mwenzangu tuliruka. Kuna na mmoja wetu operator mmoja alikuwa amefinywa ndani. Sasa ndiye alikuwa anasema tu nisaidieni.
Magiti mrema ndalo machok to orofa ma South Silwar e kendo weyo ka jo ohala ma wuok South Sea e kwano lal kotende kod kuo kod mecho ma jonjore ne ochako timo kinde mane orofa no lwar piny kendo weyo ka elini orochore.
From inside stolen the cash, stolen also our goods, more than 7 million approximately, but we did not figure out still today.
My dear, even we can't sleep even night because it's a very big loss.
It continues like this, we lose more customers and businesses. To get them back is going to be very difficult.
They've suffered immense losses. As you can see, this is the main business center in South Sea. We have banks, we have butcheries, we have shopping supermarkets, and from what we can see, maybe they've lost almost amounting to 60 to 70 million.
Those who are actually the contractors and the whole thing, and then joint efforts with the government and ourselves will actually avoid such things to happen again.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.